This robot is doing the job approximately 6 times faster than a human and in much higher quality.
Thanks for taking the time to speak to me. We're obviously at the WindEurope Event in Madrid. Can you just tell us a little bit about why you're here, for those who don't know what Aerones do? Just give us a bit of background.
Yeah. Thank you, Stefann, for having me. We're Aerones. We are a robotic company. We build robots for wind turbine maintenance, for the inspections, cleanings, and repairs. And not only the robots, but also we have a lot of AI technology which is reviewing the data and helping our customers to do the decisions.
Yep. You mentioned AI. Going around the floor today, a lot of people are mentioning AI. How do you see that sort of fitting into your own company? How will that change what you deliver to your clients? But how do you see it overall?
Yeah, we have more than 2 terabytes of data every day from our robots, and to review that data only with the humans, it wouldn't be possible. So AI is helping us to not only to capture the data, but also review the data. But when we have the data, we need to do the decisions, and AI also is helping us to do smarter decisions, or our customers. AI is helping to do smarter decisions, what to do next.
Yeah, brilliant. I know you guys have opened up a new factory in the US, I guess due to expansion. How's that going to help you as a company? How's that going to help you sort of tackle the US market?
Yeah, we are growing in US quite rapidly, we basically grew out of our previous facility in Dallas, and we moved nearby, but just like to 4 times bigger facility. And now we will be able to deliver better service to our customers. And not only that, we have a facility to run the operations, but also to do the final assembly of the robots, training of the technicians. We've built training division and facility there, so we will be able to grow more rapidly in US.
Good. We mentioned energy security, energy dependence off camera. Mm-hmm. I think obviously with the current political landscape, it's a topic we should address. How do you see that affecting the wind market or renewables in general?
Oh, I think it's gonna, as unfortunate it is, the situation, but I think for the renewables, it's a new beginning. I think that Europe and other countries are now realizing the energy independency is very, very important.
Yep.
And I think that at least in Europe, we see a big potential and big growth of the wind energy. And in a sense, which is good, but unfortunate reasons.
Yeah, absolutely. And for you as a company, and I suppose for the industry, how do you see the next 6 months, 12 months, even the next 24 months?
Next 12 months, we're growing at least 2 times. We will deliver 2 times more services as in 2026 than in 2025.
Yep.
We are launching the new robots for leading edge repairs, not only the category 1 to 3, but also on lamination or structural repairs, which is great. So this is a robot for wind turbine leading edge repairs. So this is a blade, leading edge, and so this robot grabs the leading edge and does the repair. So it basically, this is a human, or as we call it, a spider. And then we have attachments for different kind of tasks. Like this is a task, this is attachment for top coat application, or some of the leading edge protection applications. But we have also attachments for laminations, for grinding, sanding, surface preparation, cleanings, and etc. So this robot is doing the job approximately 6 times faster than a human and in much higher quality.
Perfect. Well, thanks for taking the time to speak to me.
Thank you.